why don't we introduce them to our friends?
That's a good idea.
Let's go!
Alright. Hi! It's me again, Teacher Reina. Do you want to know my friends? Let's go! This is my friend Tukan. Again, Tukan. Tucan have a combination of colors such as green, red, black, blue, brown, and yellow. They also have narrow, feather-like tongue.
Hello kids! My name is Teacher Glenn. Let me introduce you to my friends. Come on, let's go!
Please meet Kakato. Do you know that Kakato can speak?
Let's try.
Hi! Hello! How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. Can you say hi to our friends?
Hello, friends!
Okay, have a nice day, Kakato.
Goodbye!
Bye!
Cockatoos are intelligent, playful, mischievous, and exceptionally loud. Cockatoos have short legs and use their claws to move and climb branches. The cockatoos are one of the most favored birds as pets in the parrot family.
This is my friend Eagle. Again, Eagle. Eagle is the largest and powerful birds in the world, and they are wise. They also have the sharpest eyesight that's easier for them to catch their prey.
Meet my friend Mako. Again, Mako.
Macaws have long tail feathers as well as big beaks. Macaws are playful and active and have an exuberant personality to go along with their size. This makes them a very challenging pet. Macaws are typically large and brightly colored.
This is my friend Oreo. Again, Oreo. The color of a male Oreo is orange, and they have a white bars on their wings, while a female are greenish yellow with two white wings and bars and no color black.
Oh, hi kids. Meet my friend Puffin.
Puffin is a short and stocky diving seabird about 12 inches in length. Puffins are excellent swimmers but also incredibly fast in the air. It is black on its upper side and white on its chest and belly. It has bright orange webbed feet, a white face and cheeks, and a large triangular parrot-like bill that is bright red and yellow.